Can you tell us why you came to this retreat?
I came to this retreat because I have had some experience meeting other fellow veterans, and it's been really important and really life enhancing for me to continue to meet more veterans, people who understand me, people who I understand.
Did you have any hesitations the first time you came to this retreat?
No, I'm an open book. I love meeting people. I love new experiences, and this has been wonderful.
Okay, thank you. Now, one other question I have for you. Is there any advice you'd give to a fellow female veteran who's considering attending an event like this?
Don't hesitate. Just do it. Don't overthink it. Just do it.
All right.
You won't regret it.
What was your favorite part of the event?
I think my favorite part, honestly, was when we all got together as a group and were able to meet and talk to each other and find out a little bit about each other.
Why do you think that was so powerful?
Again, it's because we have this shared experience, and you don't have to explain, what you did or what it was like being in the military. We understood.
And what about some of the healing nature of this retreat?
I've seen some incredible healing experiences for some of the women here. I've had a pretty awesome career in the military, so I've really cherished my time, but I know that's not that way for everybody. And I hope that, with a positive attitude, I can help them in a small way.
You had mentioned to me about how you've been to an event where the majority of the people, the veterans with disabilities, it was PTSD.
Yes, and that was pretty powerful because I hadn't realized that until just a few months ago. I went to an event and I was one of two people that had physical disabilities. The other people all had PTSD. And that was a real eye-opener because I was able to hear, they shared their stories, and I was able to hear what they went through, how they're coping, and how they're healing. So it was a very good experience for me to understand what they're going through.
And you saw a lot of that same kind of healing here as well.
Oh, absolutely. It's almost like an epidemic, PTSD. And I think that we need to talk about it. People need to get it off their chest. And that is the first step to healing.
Absolutely. What do you think keeps many female veterans from that first step to healing?
Embarrassment. Absolutely. Just embarrassed. But there's absolutely no reason to be embarrassed or intimidated. This is a natural, it shouldn't be looked at something as unusual. Look what we've gone through.
Right. I think that's one of the biggest things here is people have said that they came here, and I know you had a fantastic career, but over and over and over, so many folks are like, I didn't know anybody else went through this.
Absolutely. And some of the stories that I've heard are simply horrifying. So I really feel for
All
them.
right. Well, thank you so much.